Hello everyone. My name is Rupesh Notial, and I came up with the topic of Reliance Jio. And first of all, I want to ask a question to everyone: that how many of you use Reliance Jio Reliance Jio right now? Yes, there are a lot of people. Even I am also using Reliance Jio. So I have a story of real. I'm going to talk about a story of Reliance Jio, that how it came in the market of India. But first, coming to that topic, I want to go in the history of Reliance Jio. So basically it is started by Mukesh Ambani, Reliance Jio, and his father Dhirubhai Ambani was passed away in 2002, and after that Dhirubhai Ambani's business had undertaken by his two sons, Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani, and when they are running their business, Dhirubhai Ambani's business, then they both have different perception about their business. Like Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani have their different perception about their business. Then afterwards they have some clash between them, and they decided to split their business into two parts, where Mukesh Ambani get Reliance Industries, and Anil Ambani gets I think IT and Reliance Communication. Yes. Then afterwards, but the Reliance Communication was initially started by Mukesh Ambani only, and he was quite passionate about communication, and he passed a bill from Supreme Court that in which the bill was no competency bill. According to that bill, it is said that now Mukesh Ambani can compete with his brother in any business. So it is passed by Mukesh Ambani in 2010, and later on the plan was Reliance Jio was started there then only, like in 2010. He has started their plan, that he started observing people, that what the demand of their business is, like how he can jump into their Reliance Communication. And then he observed that the companies like Airtel and Idea and Vodafone, they are fighting for voice calls, and they are launching their new offers and other schemes for voice calling. They are totally focused on their voice calls and all other things. But at that time the smartphones were newly entered in the market, and they were not focusing on about the data and data plans. So Mukesh Ambani at that time started few investment, and he cleared the basics things, like he fixes the optic fiber cable all across the country, and then he started creating his basics of business, and in 2016 he launched his first smartphones. Even before the SIM launched, he launched his first smartphone in January 2016. So at that time nobody was thinking that what he can launch in afterwards. And in September 2016 he launched 4G SIM, which is free for everyone. Anyone can use that SIM which have Aadhaar card, who have Aadhaar card. Even one person can buy 8 SIMs through one Aadhaar card, single Aadhaar card only. So then it was quite digitalized evolution in India, because he has given 6 months free internet to each person. Like now the people are more aware that the Airtel and other companies are charging more and more for 4G and 3G for last many years. And then I want to share one fact also, that the speed of optic fiber cable of Jio is 40 terabyte per second, whereas other companies have 4 terabyte per second speed. So the speed was also quite good of Jio. So then afterwards he focuses on the data schemes, like in 350 or 360 rupees they are giving voice calls free, They are giving 4G internet. They are giving free SMS facility. So it was quite good offer launched by Reliance Jio. Then now the Reliance Jio is sponsoring Filmfare Awards as well. Like in Filmfare Awards, Jio Filmfare Award also there, and I think it's doing well. So it was my presentation on Reliance Jio. Thank you and thank you very much.